welcome back. So today I want to show you what to do with carrots. I have about 3 recipes that I want to share, and I'm gonna start with this one today. We got a bunch of carrots from my auntie who had come over to visit, and so since I didn't want them to go bad, I decided I'm gonna show you what you can do with carrots. If you have carrots that you've probably harvested or you've bought and you have no idea what to do with them, stay tuned. I'll show you what recipes you can use. So today I'm gonna pickle my carrots. I like pickled carrots. They're really good. A good snack to have as a side dish or just as a dish, on its own. When you wanna snack on something, they're really good for you. So I prepare my brine there, which is vinegar, 1 part vinegar, 2 part water, a tablespoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can limit or adjust according to taste, but that's just what you can use. Okay, and then you bring it up to a boil. I added some ACV just because I like the depth of ACV, that's apple cider vinegar, and just to add some depth, but it's not really necessary. And then you could add spices depending on whether you like the spices or your family like the spices. You could add some peppercorns, cinnamon, cloves, chili, depends on you and those that you are serving. It just, those extra spices add they come in to add just an extra depth to the recipe. So after that, I'm just peeling my carrots right there, getting them ready so that I can cut them. And the style in which you cut is up to you. It really doesn't matter. You can decide to have them as julienne or just pieces, slices. That's up to you. So my brine there is already boiled and it's enough, so I'm gonna let it go for a while as I cut my carrots. Okay, so they're not really fine julienne cuts, but just cut into pieces. You could decide to have them sliced or cubed. That's up to you. So in the meantime, you can enjoy the music even as we continue to cut. As you see me cut the pieces there of carrot. Enjoy. And I'm back after all of that. I don't know if you've had the chicken and the children playing around. That's entertainment for you. So after that, I just pour in my brine. And I know it looks like it's a little, but by the time I show you how they turn out, which I'll do in my next episode as I show you another recipe, you will see that every bit of carrot will be submerged in the brine because they would have grown softer and more soaked in. So that's it for me today. See you in my next one. Goodbye.